Good, how you doing?
Good. Can I ask you to stop, please?
Stop?
Yes, please.
Who are you?
I'm Leanne Ortega. How are
Leanne
you?
Ortega?
Yes,
Nice
how
to
are
meet you.
And you are?
Oh, I would like to remain anonymous right now.
Okay.
Yeah. So what was going on? You want me to stop recording?
Well, I'm just wondering, why are you recording? And
Oh, why I'm recording?
yeah.
I'm just taking pictures in public, that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you here for your appointment, or how can we help?
I'm not on probation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I would not like to be recorded.
Well, you came up to me and started talking to me, right?
Yeah.
So if you don't want to be recorded, don't come up and start a conversation with the guy recording.
Okay. I'm not sure if anybody here in our lobby would like to be recorded.
And I've actually,
either.
I can record them, but I'm not going to record them because they're just here for probation. I'm recording the public employees, which is you guys that you're paid by tax dollars. These individuals pay your salary. So I'm not going to record them. It's not against the law for me to do that, but out of respect for them, I'm not going to.
Okay.
But
I'm asking you not to record me.
Oh, you
okay?
are? You're asking me?
I am asking you not to record me, please.
All right.
Okay.
Can I ask you something?
Go right ahead.
Can I get $5?
I can't pay you.
You can't pay me? Okay.
So I'm going to ask.
I can't stop recording. So I kind of have like this policy that anyone that I talk to that like asks me for random things, you know what I mean? That I just ask them for $5. It's kind of like my little thing.
So I'm going to ask you to stop recording me. If you're not here for an appointment,
Then what? Okay, well, but I mean, this is open to the public. I'm here for business, so.
Please call.
Yeah, I came in here. I wanted to check out your area. I was going to grab one of these pamphlets for my viewers, you know, to see what stuff you guys offer. I was noticing the court care thing. I thought that was really cool.
Yeah,
I'm gonna highlight that in my story.
That's wonderful.
But see, now I'm just walking around in the public accessible areas and not going behind your area, right? So I mean, I have a constitutional right to do this.
Absolutely. We can get you other pamphlets too if you'd like.
So I do
any
have-
other resources, we can provide you with that too. If you'd like to get any other resources, we can help you with that.
So you said absolutely. So I do have a constitutional right to come in here and
Well, no, I'm saying if sounds good.
Everybody else doing okay?
Yeah, and everybody else, and so he'll just search them for you, and I can get that for you. Sometimes not to read.